What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in a flexible JSON-like format. Just like JSON, it will be stored the data JSON-like format, but it is not JSON, it is like BSON, binary JSON. Okay, JSON-like format, it will be storing the data. It is having very high scalability, it is having high performance, easy to use. So these are the main things. Like MongoDB is not SQL database. It uses BSON, having high scalability, high performance, and easy to use. That's why MongoDB is used worldwide. Here, data is being stored in collections. Data is stored in collections. If you know SQL, you might be knowing about the table relational database. How data is stored in the tables, just like that. In NoSQL, data is stored in collections, just like tables. There it is tables, here it is collections. With each record being a document. Each record is considered as a document. So these documents are JSON-like objects with fields and values. Like let's say key value like this, name, like this, the data will be stored. So in our project, we will be using a package called Mongos. So this is a package we use to interact with the MongoDB database. In MongoDB, there will be schema and models. These are the things we use to interact with the database. So using Mongos, we use schema and models to interact with the database. So what is a schema? Schema is the structure. Schema is the data structure, how the data should be stored in the database. That is what we are describing with the schema. So what is the model? Model is used to interact with the database based on the schema. With the help of the schema, this is the thing which is used to interact with the database. So this schema defines the structure of the data. Let's say your document, how it should be structured, what all things should be there in that document. All those things are mentioned in the schema. And this model, which uses the schema to interact with the database, to get the data, to store the data, to update anything, basic CRUD operations. For all those things, we use models, and for defining this data, we use schema. These are the main things you need to know before starting our project. So from the next section, we will start the project. I hope you understand everything. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.